Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install Wemo Smart Plug with Wemo app. Quick tutorial step by step clearly. Begin by unpacking your Wemo Smart Plug from the box. Ensure you have the Wemo app downloaded from the App Store or Google Play. Open the Wemo app on your smartphone. Sign in to your Wemo account or create a new one if you don't have an account yet. Plug the Wemo Smart Plug into a wall outlet. Wait for the LED light on the plug to start blinking amber and green. In the Wemo app, tap on the Set up a new device option. Select Wemo Smart Plug from the list of devices. Follow the on-screen instructions to connect your smartphone to the Wemo Smart Plug's Wi-Fi network. Once connected, return to the Wemo app. Choose your home Wi-Fi network from the list. Enter your Wi-Fi password when prompted. Tap on Connect to link the smart plug to your Wi-Fi network. Wait a few moments while the app configures the smart plug. Once the setup process is complete, you will see a confirmation message. You can now name your Wemo Smart Plug for easy identification. Explore the app settings to customize features and automation options. Test the smart plug by turning it on and off using the app. Your Wemo Smart Plug is now installed and ready to use. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.